Welcome to Sahla and Delicious. Today we're going to be making Egyptian Feteer. Our ingredients: we have 3 cups of water, 7 cups of flour, 1 butter, vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we're going to mix the salt and sugar in the room temperature water inside the 7 cups of flour. We're going to use our hand to keep mixing, and then we're going to keep on mixing so it can become so smooth. In order to take out the dough, we have to dust it with some flour. As you can see, we put flour on the table and we keep on folding the dough until it becomes smooth. Folding and mixing, and we have created the dough. We're going to get a plate and put vegetable oil on it and leave it for 15 to 25 minutes. Now we're going to put vegetable oil on it, a plastic wrap, and a piece of cloth. Come back after 25 minutes. Now the dough is ready to stretch it. Now we're going to put oil on the table. We're going to use the rolling pin to keep on stretching. Now we're going to put butter all over the pie and a little bit of cornstarch. Now we fold it. We put butter again, and then we're going to roll it. We're going to leave it for 15 minutes, but first we have to cover it. Now 15 minutes has passed. We're going to stretch it and then fold it again. We're going to use the rolling pin. After stretching it, we're going to fold it again and leave it for another 25 minutes. And now we have an 18-inch round tray, and we're going to put vegetable oil on it and then put our dough. Leave it for 25 minutes. 20 minutes, it's ready to stretch it and put it inside the oven. We're going to put it in a convection oven for 15 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll spend 15 minutes inside the oven and it's ready to eat. Now we took it out of the oven. We just have to put a little butter on top and then it's ready to eat. Now it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching Sahla and Delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and like this video.